Good afternoon, everyone. We will get started in about 5 minutes. You can just post some questions, charts, and so on, and then we will get started. We'll go through Twitter and then YouTube as normal. See you guys in a bit. How many of you guys got into that Z-car post? I mentioned it very early on for you guys. I literally mentioned 0.21. You got in then, well done. Make sure to like up the stream, guys, before we get started. I will see you all in a few minutes. All right, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. How many people got into Z-car post? I mentioned it right over here on this yellow line. Well, not yellow, let's change it around here. At the, let's make it red. At this red line. Make it orange, actually. This is where I mentioned, so from here, we ran 20%. Pretty crazy move. Can you guys see my chart and everything's working? I'm going to go through Twitter and then I'll go through everyone on YouTube. So post some tickers, any questions about anything Discord related, how I trade, how I chart, anything like that. And then once we catch up on Twitter, I'll go to you guys on YouTube. So just bear with me. Right. Let's see. OPTT, NNE. NNE is very, very bullish. Oh, actually it's coming down now. NNE, so we'll draw the trend line from here to here, which is currently bearish. So NNE needs to what? Break above the trend line. Needs trend line break. Yeah, trend line break is very important. That is all you need for any stock. If you're trying to look for entries, do not try and enter on the downtrend. Right, what else is there? A lot of people are talking about this PSNY. Not too sure what's going on with it, but yeah. GDHG, let's have a look. GDHG, if I was looking for entries, I would wait for break. Guys, just a reminder, market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern. 1 p.m. Eastern. Then markets close tomorrow. So I'll be trading for an hour and then I will be done for the day. I've got some things I need to do. PSNY, yeah, what's up with PSNY? Can anyone let me know what's going on with this thing? Did I have news? It did have news. Oh, Polestar, nice. EV sector is very bullish. Tesla's moving. Obviously, they had their delivery thing. And NKLA ran yesterday, so EVs are heating up. EV sector. What should we expect on market open? Guys, that's the stupidest question I ever heard. How do I know? I don't know. I don't know. If people ask, when they ask me, can I enter the trade? I'm just going to say, sure. You guys decide. If you want to know when I enter personally, you can just join the Discord. But yeah, I will share my chart setups and what I expect to happen. But if I enter anything, Discord members are in first. Always. They are priority for me. That is what you pay for. Education and understanding. GOVX, bullish pennant. This one stopped me out yesterday, sadly, but it's still a very nice setup. I like it, I like it, I like it. I had a very, very good pre-market. Very, very good. Pretty much doubled my goal on my small account, which is nice. SYT, I mean, you just have this fill here, I guess. Wick fill 426. This has currently low volume. So, yeah, guys, for those who just joined, like up the stream and then subscribe if you haven't as well, please. And then if you have any questions about anything stock related, feel free to ask, or any tickets, feel free to ask. Feel free. JXJT. JXJT, we can move this, instead of having this line here, we can have this next trend. Wait for 196, we can wait for that. Wait for 196. Yeah, the thumbs up, Kenny. Thumbs up. CTNT. It's free to do so. If not, you probably just have to sign in or sign up. But most people have a Twitter account. Or YouTube, sorry. Whilst you're at it, subscribe. Hassie's posting some videos this week. CTNT. This is looking good. I'm just going over some Twitter charts, guys. I will be with you guys in a bit. IFBD, there is nothing on IFBD. No, nothing. Yeah, IFBD, just draw the trend to make it clear, like this. Trend line break equals entries. IFBD needs downtrend break. IFBD needs. Yeah, so a lot of these requests that people ask, most of them, 99.9999999% charts, are bearish. Or I just say the same thing, downtrend break needed, downtrend break needed. Because that's all what's needed. If it breaks a downtrend, then you can look for your entry. But trying to enter now when it's in a downtrend, it's playing hard to get. Not worth it, not worth it. Just relax on it. VLCN, former runner, maybe bullish pennant forming here. Who knows? Looking good though. This just needs volume on VLCN. VLCN needs volume. Right, I'm nearly caught up with everything. When people are obsessed with stocks. There's a lot of people ask for the same stock every day. Literally. That's when you know they're stuck in the bag holding department. And that's what we are never in. I'm never, ever bag holding, ever. Because I manage my risk. That's why. So when people say I'm stuck, I don't know how people are stuck in a stock. You're either in or you're out. Have your stop loss in place and then that's it. Rarely, nothing, pump and dump. Rally needs downtrend break. Right, like up the stream, guys. Like it up. 10% of this gain. Let's go, Michael. Z-Car. What's the mighty Z-Car doing? Z-Car's just chilling. Z-Car is doing its thing. Z-Car's very simple now. All you need to do, draw the trend. What's the trend? Right now, we're going in a downtrend. Breaks above the downtrend, then we have 0.255. Z-Car needs downtrend break. Right, let's get on to YouTube. What up, guys? Let me have a look, let me have a look, let me have a look. Right, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Jake's TT, assuming needs $2 break. Yeah, correct. Correct, Colas. You are correct with JXJT. Yeah, $2. Even $1.96, but it's just at $2. No Z-Car, but made 10% on VVPR. VVPR was a fantastic alert. I gave it way early today. Very, very early. It was my first trade of the day. VVPR turn neck. Guys, VVPR, I wouldn't be looking for an entry. Maybe in the falling wedge, but personally, I would just wait for a downtrend break. Means if the candle closes above, as I say every day, closes above this trend line, that is your entry. You can use the 5-minute, 1-minute, 20-minute, weekly, 20-year chart, whatever you use, whatever you decide. CNSP, very, very bullish. This was your entry right here. Once it broke above this high, that was your entry. You are going to 329 gap fills. Ooh. One of the members in the Discord mentioned it to me. I just had a look, and then I think he made good money on that. CNSP has offering with so there's an offering. Be careful on that. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. So yeah, someone did very well. $575 profit on that one. Well done. JXJT, another opportunity, nothing. Winner, nothing either. I just went through it. VWE, how does that look? VWE. So VWE, the best thing to do, everyone here, every single person here, just go out and zoom out of your chart. Zoom out. Use a 4-hour time frame. Understand, okay, what is going on with the stock? Is it in an uptrend or is it in a downtrend? If it's in an uptrend, that's when you start to look for entries. If it's in a downtrend, you wait for the downtrend to break. As simple as this. We're on VWE. Can everybody see this on the 4-hour chart at the bottom? We then do what? Every time we draw the downtrend, right? That's the downtrend right there. Now, you are not looking for any entries unless you get a closure above the downtrend. This indicates that the trend is breaking and it's reversing, going from a downtrend to a uptrend. That is as simple as I can explain it for you, right? So nothing on VWE, leave it alone. What do you think about tonight's lottery numbers? I think it's going to be fantastic. I'm not going to give you my numbers. How do we like the stream? Yes. Maxin, reversing off this demand zone here. Yeah, Maxin looks good. It needs to run up again because it didn't have much volume earlier. Just kept coming down. So Maxin's trying to reverse. Wow, it's actually moving quick now. Looks very, very good. Yeah, looks very good. Good entries would have been here. Now, obviously, if this candle closed on the 5-minute in 30 seconds, you could maybe look for an entry. Oh, yeah, let me just retweet this. People are asking about this. The YouTube stream is up. CNSP got action. Yeah, CNSP is great. CNSP is going to 330. It's up already loads. David, I don't know if you're in here, bro, but well done in the Discord. Fantastic job. Click the thumbs up. There's only 3. Yeah, if you refresh the page, it goes up. Well, it should go up. We have 86 people and 33 likes. Come on, guys. Like it up, like it up, like it up. CNSP trend breakout. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. CSLR is not here. I don't have it. CSLR, nothing on this. Very low volume. Didn't do anything yesterday either, so. CSLR, nothing, unfortunately. Is the demand zone for CVAC $394? CVAC we have here. I don't really like this stock, to be honest. But yeah, your demand zone, I would just use support instead. The demand zone's too big, like the range. You can use 385 as your support. Like this. But I don't really like it. When a stock's doing this, just identify what's going on. It's clear to see that the stock is ranging. So we are in a no trade range. Like this. This is your no trade range. So you know now you should not be touching this stock at all. Right? You can identify that the stock is going up and then down and then up and then down and then up and then down. The only way you're looking for an entry is if it closes above this high, 424, it will probably retest and then push up, right? So you are not looking for entries unless 424 breaks above. That's all you need to wait for. So 424 break equals entries. Right, so here, CVAC. No entries unless 424 break above. Because you're now, look, if you're literally entering the trade now, you are in a 50-50, I would even say 40-60. Right? Let's say, for instance, here, 50-50 chance of it going up or down. You know if it closes above this, what's the chances now of it going up? Probably, let's say, 60, 70, 80%, right? So that's what you want. You want the higher probability chance. You don't want to just gamble and get in, right? Zcar prime for another one. Yeah, Zcar looks good. Zcar looks good. It's coming down though. If you're trying to look for Zcar entry, it's very simple. Everyone knows what they need to do. This trend line explains everything. You've all been in here pretty much every day for the last few months, I'm assuming. Downtrend, I explain every day what you need to do. Hey Tiger, what if anything would make you re-enter a trade as if either more? I never add. I never average up or down on my trades. I go in with a certain amount every single time. I have the same stop loss and I have the same target every time I enter the trade. I am like a robot, extremely the same, or I do exactly the same thing all the time. That's it. Pretty much. 5% first target, 3% stop loss. Whatever, 3% first target sometimes if the market's not great. It just really depends. But trade size stays the same. Whether I think the stock's going to go to $1 million or I think it's just going to go up 5%, I still use the same amount. It's just the way I trade personally. Thank you, Tiger. See you. Yeah, no worries, bro. Vine, I don't know. I know it has some merger news coming up apparently. Oh wow, it is up 12%. Yeah, I mean it broke the downtrend, but the volume isn't quite there. You have 0.75 is your next resistance. Right. Zcar is very simple, guys. Copy this chart. Go onto the 5-minute chart and draw the downtrend. If it closes above the downtrend, that's your entry point, right? Not it, but watching it. I appreciate you. No worries. CNSP is right here. I've been going on about 20 times now. I said it's going to 330 when it was over here, and then also when it broke this level. So yeah. Doesn't mean it's going to go there, right? This is your next level that it's going to go to. If you're up 5%, you should be out at least 50% of your position. Would you have any advice for some with a small account? Yeah, very simple. Just start to understand risk management. Don't look at the dollar amount. Do not care about if you're making $1 a day, $10 a day, $1,000, $100,000 a day. It doesn't matter, right? Focus on the percentage amount. Aim for 1% on your account every single day. 1% on your account every day is 5% a week, 20% a month. If you can make 20% a month, right? If you can make 20% a month on your account, whether you have $10 or $1 million, you are 99.999% better than everyone else trading, right? To give you a statistic, hedge funds, yes, they trade with hundreds of millions, but they're only making like 9% a year, right? So if you can make 20% a month, you are definitely doing something right. So focus on that. Focus on that is your goal. Sorry, just about no worries. When looking for a close above downtrend, should you? Up to you. You can decide. You can use the 1 minute, you can use the 5 minute or 10 minute. Up to you what you decide. Larger the time frame, the more confirmation. CTNT, nothing on CTNT for me. I like it, looks good though. Like we've broken above this level, we're retesting it, and now we should push up. So we broke above this resistance, so we broke above it. We've come down where we are now, and now what? We've got this wick to push up. So we predict now that it will what? Go up. That is how we can predict for CTNT. But yeah, everyone, regardless if you have a big account, small account, focus on the percentage amount. I do that. Percentage is not dollar amount. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Your percentage always stays the same, but your dollar amount will change once you keep compounding it. Right? Just trade realistically. None of this BS shit trying to grow your count challenges, all that shit. It's all this, it's a load of bullshit. It does not work. It does not work if you want to become a trader who wants to become consistent. Because if you're trying to make a challenge account and you're trying to challenge every time you try and enter, right? You're going to be forcing every single trade and going with full port, no risk management. You're just trying to grow as fast as you can. You don't get anything out of it because you'll probably just blow your account within a week. So focus on consistency. Whether you have $100 in your account, right? That's it. What on? 25%. Nice. People are banking on that play. Aren't you and Hassie making 20%? Yeah, I make 500% a day on my account. Hey, look. It's like magic. It's literally like magic. It is magic. It's a magic. This thing was at literally, let me see what this price was at. This was at 189, ladies and gentlemen, when I posted it, 189. And now you are cooking to nearly 330. Well done. If you got in, you should be out at least 80%. At least 80% of your position. Hey, there's 330 wick fill. Kaboom. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. I don't care about the news. I don't care what the hell or why the hell it's running. It means nothing to me. All I know is that it's running. Wow, CNSP $4 holler coming in hot. Wow, I missed that post, never saw it. Yes, I said wick fill. Look at it go. Sue. Got 35%. Let's go, red. Legend. Post it in the profits, bro. Post it in the profits. Post it in the profits. Post it in the profits. VVPR, you're looking for a downtrend break only. ANVS, not too interested. VS, nothing. JXJT, nothing. SCLX, nothing. Let's see. COS. COS is a meme play. I don't know why this is. Let me look why this is up. Oh, interesting. Zcar. No one should be entering Zcar right now. Zcar is in a downtrend. Maybe in a bullish pennant. Maybe. So maybe you could look for your entry here if you wanted to. But I would personally wait for the trend to break. Wow, CNSP, congrats. Congrats, everyone. Sorry, I've been following Tiger before on Twitter for a few months now, and I just want to understand if you put dedication and time in it, if people are making profits from small caps. I just want to understand if you put dedication and time in it. Yeah, of course you're making. Of course. I've been doing this for 4 years. Same thing over and over a day. I just trade the top gainers every single morning. That's it. Nothing on Maxin. Maxin, there is no reason to be entering this at all. Nothing, 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 nothing. You need the downtrend to break. You need a closure, a candle closed above Maxin, above the downtrend. That is your entry point. Now, nothing. Wow, well done. CNSP, everyone made loads of money on Twitter. Congrats. ICU up 15%. Did this just run? Nice. Let's see. Broke above this level. This is actually your range here. This was your main resistance here. This level looks good. Go to the 4 hour. Look left. Where are the next resistance levels? This one is the next one. 1250. 1250. So now, look, since we broke above this downtrend, right? We can all see that. Sorry, above this resistance, right? Here. Which was this purple line. Now, what we are looking for is a retest of this trend line. So now we broke above the resistance. Now the goal is to wait for the break and close above, which it's done. So it's done that. Now we're waiting for it to retest around this 969 and then push up, right, to your next wick fill. That is simply what you have for ICU. So this is my prediction for ICU. ICU prediction. Let's go. Well done, everyone on CNSP. Very well done. Very, very well done. Right, Maxin, I'd see you. I'm gonna sign up how much you have made from it, Tiger. 100 billion. 100 billion. B for billion. I'm the richest man in the world, Ali. Nice. No, Ali, look, I'll put it to you as realistic as I can. I aim for 1% accounts on my day every day. That's what I do, which is 5% a week, 20% a month. I usually achieve that pretty much every day. If I don't, then I'm pretty much close to it, or I have a red day. And my red days are maximum about 2%. CTNT just jumped. I'm ordered and fill. Yeah, I know. It's quick, bro. Just don't chase. So look, if you're looking for an entry on CNSP, it's very simple. If it breaks above 365, you can enter the trade. Right? Breaks above 365, you can enter the trade. Do not try and enter now. If you enter now, you are gambling and didn't listen what I just explained to you. Vanguard just announced increase IVA. Nice, nice, nice. People need to get emotionally out of Hollow. They need to emotionally leave the stock alone. Emotionally get out. Get out, get out, get out. $1 is your entry point. Otherwise, nada, zero, nothing. Yeah, Z-Car's right here. It's good. Looks great. Bullish pennant. You can enter inside here. You can wait for the downtrend break. Whatever you decide. Looks good. These are your next levels. 3-2 as well. Z-Car's looking good. Z-Car's looking good. No worries, Ali, bro. Just being realistic, man. 1% is what we achieve and what we aim for on Twitter, in the Discord every day. I'm not going to tell you we aim for 50, 60% a day on our accounts because it's absolute bullshit. It's impossible to do that every day. It's possible to do 1% account in your day every day. I'll tell you that much. VVPR, nothing. Downtrend break needed. JXJT, nothing. CNSP, extremely bullish. CNSP, if you want to, wait for that break above. So you can either wait for safe entries if it closes, right? Or if it breaks above that level, that 365, or you can take riskier entries if you like to gamble and if it closes above 339. So you can decide whatever you want. Cooking. OPTT is just chilling. OPTT is just at support. Look, support. OPTT at support. Right, let's like up the stream, guys. Like it up. We have 100 people in here and we have 46 likes. So that means 50% of people have not liked it. Let me have a look and see what else is moving. Let me go through top gainers. VVPL0. Oh, SMX. SMX is running or nah? SMX is running. So SMX is a very easy trade to take. You can wait for the break above 0.165. Closure above 0.165 equals entries. So that means you have to wait for this to break. SMX, wait for 0.165 break above. So I'll keep SMX here. This is going to be for Hassie because he trades sub $1. So I'll just let him know which place to watch. 30% good call. What on colors, bro? ICU, I've just gone over it. ICU, this is my prediction to retest here, which is doing, and then push up. CNSP, you should not be in this unless it closes above 339 or breaks 365. VVPR, nothing on this. Maybe possible bullish pennant forming. We just need some more touches. Maybe these could be the 3 touches, which make a trend line. So we have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Right? We'll just have to wait and see what it does do here. But we need to see what it does do. The goals. Everyone asks, what are the goals? What are his goals? I'm not telling you his goals. His goal is 5% from the entry. That can be your target. There are no fucking goals. The goals is going to be scored in the euros. That is your goal. It's the stupidest question. What are his goals? What are his targets? Focus on trying to be realistic. Who's winning the euros? Anyone watching it? Let me know who you think. And then goes most of my buying power for the day. Well, I mean, if you made 33% on that trade, bro, you should be chilling. At least up 5% on your account. 1%. So it should be good. You should be cooking. MBIO, 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 MBIO. I'm not a fan of MBIO, but we can just, I'll make it as bullish as I can for people who are trading it. Maybe a bullish pennant forming. MBIO. Bullish pennant. Let's see, zap. Zap, zap, zappity zap. I've just posted zap. I have not posted zap. That's Z-Car. Zap is looking good. Volume's coming in hot. Zap looks very good. This is on the watch list for today. I like this play a lot. Traded it yesterday, I think. No, I can't remember. No, I did not trade it. It was when, I think. Yeah, add this one to your watch list, Zap. 2-day runner, possibly. Okay, market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern, for those who don't know. And then it goes, not by England, though. Yeah, I don't think England are going to win it. They're bottle jobs. Ronaldo, Messi. Ronaldo for me, brother. Gonna join the Discord this weekend. Let's go. Also Spain. Yeah, I think Spain have a very good chance. I thought Austria were gonna go further, but they got rocked last night. Cause nothing until 575 break. Closure above that, you have clean range to the left-hand side, all the way up. Portugal, yeah, Portugal, I don't know. They have a good team. I mean, as much as I like Ronaldo, but I don't know. He shouldn't start. Jota's better. Jota is better. MGRX is here. Nothing on MGRX at the moment. Maybe it's trying to reverse off support, but yeah, I would downtrend break needed. So yeah, just downtrend break needed. That's all I would say for this. Otherwise, just let it do its thing. Yeah, VVPR coming down. Nothing on VVPR unless downtrend break. It makes me laugh when people say, is the stock done? Is it finished? Like, guys, it's up 95%. Let it pull back a bit. Jeez, man. It's not going to keep going up. The thing I've learned is I don't like Robinhood is you can't have a stop loss and take profit at the same time. Yeah, Weeble, you can. I have to do what you... I have to have a manual stop loss and target when I... So when I enter a trade on my broker... If I buy 1,000 shares, I put everything in my stop loss. If it gets close to my first target, I remove my stop loss and then put my first target. That's kind of what I do. But Weeble, you could just put a group order. But the only issue is you can't scale out. So if you buy 1,000 shares and you have a 5% first target and your 5% stop loss, for instance, whichever one hits first, it'll sell all of it. So you can't sell like 50% at first target or whatever. So if you buy 1,000 shares, it'll either hit your first target and sell all the 1,000 or sell 1,000 at first stop loss. That's kind of what it does. But yeah, it's good. I wish I had group order for my broker, but no bueno. Wow, Zap's going. Did anyone just jump in this thing? CNSP is looking good. CNSP. Here, you want an entry for CNSP? Check this out. If you get this downtrend break on CNSP, if you get a closure above this on the 1 minute chart, you can enter. So let's see. Let's watch it together. Ready? This will be the last setup and then I'm going to head out. If it can break above. Zappity zap zap zap. Nice on Zap. $2.75, $3, $3.05, $3.40. Gotcha. I trade while I work, so there are things I have to look. Yeah, that's very difficult, bro. I couldn't do that if I was you. Like trading and working at the same time, it's difficult. Especially these volatile stocks. I don't know. Should be buying to Zcar again. If you would like. If you like. If you want to, you can. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You decide. You decide. You decide. You are in control of your account. Whether you want to buy, you want to sell, you want to watch me chart, then yeah. NUKK needs this downtrend. So here, Haley, think about this, right? Just think about this for a second. The stock is what is it at right now? It's at the highest point it's been today, correct? So that means that should indicate to you and bring in a huge alert in your brain and say, oh no, this is chasing. Oh no, this is FOMO. Oh no, you always do this and it always comes down. So don't do it. Wait for the pullback. Where is a pullback? You can look for a demand zone. You can look for a falling wedge. You can look for a VWAP. Lots of other things. So don't chase now. If you want to buy now, you can go ahead. But that is called FOMO and chasing. And that's what I suggest removing from your trading. Right? So it's fine. Let it run. I don't care. Look at it. I'm not worried. Just let it do its thing. It doesn't matter. Who cares? If you're trying to look for a play, CNSP is a play to watch. Closure above here on the 1 minute is your entry point. That means do not enter now because that is not the correct reasoning to enter. It has not broken above. It hasn't given any confirmation that's going to break around, right? So all you need to do is wait for closure above here. It can be the downtrend can break over here. It can be over here. It can be over here. It could be all the way here, right? That's why I cannot say wait for this level 313 because it could be down here where it breaks at $3. It could be up here at 280, right? Just depends. The best thing to do is if you know that you're chasing, which you know when you're chasing because the stock is at the highest point of the day, then you know that you are chasing and you know you shouldn't enter because what happens when you chase? You always lose. 99% of the time, people chase and FOMO and they lose. That is why people fail as traders because they cannot control their emotions and they just FOMO and chase. Is the market only extended hours? If so, what time? No. Market is closed at 1 p.m. Eastern. 1 p.m. Eastern is when the market closes. There's no after hours, nothing. Market's closed tomorrow. Friday, I would suggest not even trading at all. I don't think I will trade at all on Friday, to be honest. Probably make it a nice long weekend and enjoy it. Yep, market closes 1 p.m. Eastern. Let's see what this trade does. Break the downtrend equals entries. I'm even going to put it on Twitter for everyone to see. Why are you guys deleting your messages? It's okay. Discord members, I might make like a Google Meet when I do this so you guys can see it quicker, this live. I think it'll be easier. Zap is coming down quick. Zap is coming down quick. All right, guys. FOMO is my biggest issue right now. When I started 2% run, and now I expect that every time. Yeah, you need to get that out of your brain, bro. You need to get 200% is maybe once in a blue moon. And when do we see a blue moon? Never. Or hardly ever. I literally aim for 5% every day on my trade. Each trade I enter, I look for 5%. So if I get $1,000, I'm looking to make what, $50? That's it. 5% on whatever I'm doing. On my 1 trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, whatever it is, same time. If I'm trying to look for 200% on every single trade, I'm going to be in the streets, living on the streets, have no money. Clio, VVPR bounced. Yes, this is why you do not chase. You do not chase. Look, that's exactly what happens. See, I just saved you. God knows Euro's good teams are crap, cream. Yeah, I know, Phil. You are correct. See, look, CNSP. If you entered and you didn't listen, that is your own fault. I know we have 100 people in here, and I bet you, I guarantee it. I guarantee it. I guarantee you. We have 100 people here. I guarantee you right now, 70 people joined. 70 people tried to enter here and think, oh, I'm going to get in early. And now look. They try to think they're all cool, and now they're down 7% and trying to add more, and then more and more and more and more and more. And they're using the whole account, and it keeps going down, and they're going to be crying and upset because they didn't listen. Closure above is your entry. Do not try and enter before. There's no confirmation. You're just gambling. VVPR bounced. Yes, it did. It's reversing right now. It's open. Looks very good. I like it. VVPR looks fantastic. I expect it to run today. Best setup. It's the best setup. Everybody get in. Jump, jump, jump. You sell 5%. Yes. So if I have 1,000 shares, I sell 500 and my 5%. When it goes up 8%, maybe I'll sell another 100 shares. Maybe when it's up 12%, another 100 shares. Maybe up 15%, sell another 100 shares. Whenever I decide. So I secure at least 50%. Move my stop loss to my entry. So that is how I trade. There's no best way. I don't scale out always at 5. After the 50%, I decide, or 5%, I decide whatever I want to do after that. I can sell when I'm up 10%, upsell more at 12%, 20%, 30%, whatever, you know. Let's go, Christian, bro. Well done. I would call it a day, bro. Literally 5% on your account today. That's all I would do. All right, I'm going to head into the Discord. Discord members, I will see you guys in a bit. I am going to send out the link for the live trading in 20 minutes. I'll see you guys there. Discord members, I'm only going to be trading for an hour, live trading for an hour, and then I'm going to head out. I don't really expect much going on in the market, to be honest with you, today, because it's going to be a short day. Friday is going to be absolutely useless as well. So yeah, we'll just see. Maybe crypto runs this weekend, so maybe take some Bitcoin plays, blockchain plays. We'll see though. But yeah, Twitter guys, I will see you guys in a bit. I'll share some charts and setups for a bit, and then I'm going to call it a day. All right, VVPR levels. Your levels are here. You have 339, then you have 355, and then here 375. Right, there's your levels. All right, guys, have a great day. Have a great day, everyone. Please like up the stream. Also, thank you again for all the support on Twitter. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Continue to like my stuff, retweet, engage with me. I really like it. I like helping you guys. I try and do as much as I can on Twitter, but my main focus is the Discord, all right? So please don't spam charts and tickers at me. I will get back to you in a bit. But like I said, my priority is live trading for Discord members, all right? So I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a great day. I will see you all later. Bye, guys. Thanks for joining.